Hey everyone, Sevash here. I'm just gonna do a quick video on the Jane integration for upcoming appointment reminders because I've been getting a couple of messages recently about like how to set it up properly, and it's a little bit finicky because there's as you know, three different systems going on, and we want to make sure that we're not sending appointment reminders to the people that kind of reschedule, update, cancel, and those kind of things. And we know, like when you when you have a clinic, a lot of people cancel last minute and those kind of things. So this is how I would suggest you do it, and you want to test it as well. So you're gonna have two workflows. One of them to do the reminder, and the other one is if they cancel, update, reschedule, or whatever, to remove them from the reminder. Okay. So the first one is going to look like something like this. So you're gonna have if a contact start time has changed, upcoming appointment start time has changed. Then we're going to check that if they actually have an upcoming appointment, so the count is equal to one or greater than one. And then the other thing that we want to check is we want to make sure that their appointment is in the next 7 days. So upcoming start date is next 7 days, and it's not today, obviously. And then we set a event time for the reminder. And right before sending the SMS or email or whatever, we're going to do another check. So we want to make sure that they haven't actually canceled uh, that time. So we're going to make sure that it is actually happening today and the upcoming appointment stat. So if I stay here, it's hopefully going to show up. Stat is not canceled, never booked, no show, rescheduled, or archive. Archived is the delete in Jane, and this is today. So we want to check that and then send the SMS. The other thing that I recommend to do is to make sure you just put this thing, because again, this is like three platform integrating kind of into each other, and Jane doesn't support instant updates. So just to be safe and patients don't get like confused, make sure that you put something like this at the end. It says if you haven't recently updated, cancel, or rescheduled this appointment, you can ignore this message. So just to make sure that everyone is on the same page and no one's going to be angry. And then obviously we wait an hour to send the 1 hour reminder. So this is 1 hour before, and then we're going to do the exact same checking. If it's still today, and if it's not any of this, we're gonna send the SMS. And once it's done, we're going to remove them. So this is the reminder one. Now, if we go back and check the canceled one. So this is very easy. If a contact changed, we can actually add a filter in here and say uh, if you type in state and if you scroll upcoming appointment state has changed, you can save this. And then you check if it's either of these, you want to remove them from the other workflow, which is upcoming appointment reminder, and you want to save that action, save, and that's it. That's how you can actually set up a proper appointment reminder without messing up the messaging. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question. Bye.